This person that we have coming up, she's been here with us several times, and I'm so excited for her to come back up here. She does have new family.
Yay.
So congratulations to that.
Thank you.
And, lineage.
Yes.
Legacy building, all that wonderful stuff. So y'all please give it up for 33 Crystal Notes.
Be me.
Thank you guys.
This is live. Thank you. I got you. I can sit this right now. Yeah.
Y'all so beautiful and gorgeous tonight. It's easy.
Yes.
What's up, JB Record Lounge? I am 33 Crystal Notes. You can find me on Instagram at 33 Crystal Notes. Okay, guys, I'm a writer, I'm a vocalist, and tonight I'm going to share with you what I call In Between Lines. It's a message that I feel was a upload that I received from, higher divine order, and I just wanted to share it with you. Some of the quotes are from myself originally and from Thoth and Rumi. So let's get it, JB. We can turn it up some more, please. Truly appreciate the love, Shaya. Thank you.
Yes.
On the walls of the ancient halls and the tombs of our ancestors tells the story through visions of wisdom. What is to come? Keep thou not silent when evil is spoken, for truth like the sunlight shines above all. The true student will read between the lines and gain wisdom, and if the light is in you, the light which is engraved in these tablets will respond. I come for my people parading these streets. No, we don't want no trouble, we all deserve peace. Put an end to illusion, the people need to see. Wake up call from the universe to set your soul free. It's a conscious evolution on the love frequency. There is no competition, we're all supporting, but must watch your intentions when you're manifesting. Be higher vibrating and believe in your dreams. The all is mind, the universe is mental. The body is the house of God. Whoever shall know thyself shall know God. Whoever lets himself be led by the heart will never lose his way. Out of the darkness shall you rise upward. Run with the light and run with the stars. Meditate on the singularity. The keys are they, though hidden from you. I'm from land where mothers nurture, our fathers are true divine gods and goddesses. We all a star seed. From what I discover, we are legendary, revolutionary. It can be pretty scary when you don't know who you are and you wake up praying, screaming. A world so full of lies and a world so full of demons. I answered the call. I can't go on pretending. I must reverse this curse. We need this healing from a fool has to say something, but a wise person has something to say. You know you are truly alive when you are living among the lions. One who causes others misfortune also teaches them wisdom. When you educate a man, you educate an individual. When you educate a woman, you educate a generation. Give me this and give me that. I want all the facts and don't hold back. When I break the chains and go roll your blood in your vein, better know that. Better let your darkness hidden on facts. In the royal garden where they gates at. Fortune tells you little secrets and believe me, you need me. Collecting from the weak in me, and you no longer seeking in the heavens with that deacon. And for what I know the reason we make it through every season. True because you keep believing, keys and creeds we superseding from. Fortune down from your crown, right beneath your feet. Stand tall as you speak life into the very existence of your ancestry. A thing of beauty is never perfect. Being the light on the dark shadows is truly worth it. Should you answer the call as the chosen one to unearth it? 6 fucking feet. Thank you guys.